Okay, we're going to go ahead and set up a new user in QuickBooks Online Advanced. In a previous area, we set up a role, so I've already got my roles enabled. So I'm going to come in here to manage users. Right away, you can see I have my tabs across the top, so I have how many users I have in my system, how many roles I have set up, and then the accounting firm access that I've granted. So I can go ahead and hit Add a User. So I have 3 different choices. We can do a standard role, a custom role. So these are the ones that we have set up. A couple come standard in the system. I set up my special role just in an earlier video. Then we have our standard user, so you can give them full or limited access, but not admin privileges. And then we have a company admin as well. And then down below, we have these kind of users that don't count towards your user limit, which is really nice. So you can have people who have access to reports only. They don't count towards one of your users. Time tracking only, or taking payments only, right? So they don't count towards your user count if they're doing only those things. Now notice you can't combine those, right? Reports only, time tracking only, it's one. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and say my special role. Now again, I have my bar there. If you guys have any time when you don't see a next field, make sure to just minimize your screen, and then we select next. So who is this going to be? I'm going to set it up as myself or one of my other email addresses. My normal email address is Marjorie@Fourlane because Madams at Fourlane sounds a little funny. But let's go ahead and say save. And then an invite was sent over to that email address. Now in my email, right, I have got Marjorie Adams Primary, asked you to join the QuickBooks Online Advanced team for Fourlane, ready to get started, let's go. If you have questions, you can go here. We love that you're here from the QuickBooks team. And then I can click let's go, and then go and create my login and password. I already have one, but that's how you add a user into QuickBooks Online Advanced.